Hello dear students, hope you all are fit and well. Last time we discussed about the cyclic fixture in league tournaments. Now today we are going to discuss about the tabular fixture in league tournament. So tabular fixture is very easy. It is named as tabular because there are a table through which we are arranging the teams and their fixture. First of all, you have to calculate about three things which are very important. First of all, number of teams, and then second, number of rounds, and third, number of boxes. Okay, so like that we are supposed to make. If suppose, let us discuss with the odd number of teams. If we have odd number of teams, if there are 7 teams, okay, the number of rounds will be equal to the number of teams if it is odd, and number of boxes will be n plus 2. Means if suppose number of teams are here 7, so number of rounds will be 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, so 9 boxes we have to construct, and it should be constructed in such a way that 9 from horizontal and 9 from vertical. It should be counted. So let us make this. We have calculated. I hope you have understood. So now we are going to make the boxes. 9 boxes we have to make. Okay. So make it. Okay. Like that. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 this way also you have to make. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 more, 9. Okay, like that. First of all, you make the boxes. Nine boxes. It should come horizontally and vertically equal. Okay, so you can count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this way also we have to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this way we have to make the boxes first, and you have to divide it vertically. Okay, this point you have to match with this point. So like that it should go. Okay, like that, divided vertically. And then suppose there are 7 teams as we discussed. Teams are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you arrange it. It is team number A, it is B, it is C, D, E, F and G. there are 7 teams, there will be 7 rounds. So what we have to do in this, where the boxes are cut, that box we have to leave. As suppose this box is cut, we have to leave. We will start from here. The 7 rounds are here. So we starting with the first round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Up to 7 you write in the first column. Okay. So there are 7 rounds. Downside one, you can see the box is cut, so you will not write anything. After 2, what we can get? 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. 5, 6. After 6, 7. But there is only 7 rounds, so 8 we cannot write. We have to repeat again. Not from here, this you leave, we will discuss it afterwards. From here, okay, we cannot write further. So after 4, what we have? 5. After 5, we have 6. After 6, we have 7. After 7, we have to repeat till 1. Okay. 5 box is cut. 6, 7, 7, 1, 1 के नीचे 2. 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3 down 4. Here what we have to write, as suppose there are 7 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So even numbers we are writing first. As even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Write it. 2, 4, 6. And odd numbers you can see. First we are keeping the even numbers as many are possible. Then we are writing the odd numbers. Okay. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7. 7 already kept there. Okay. So this way we have to arrange. And same teams we have to write here also. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And this is for by. Okay. So like that you have to arrange. See, first round, wherever you see first. Okay. First round. Which teams are going to play, you can see. A with B. A and B. You can see, no? Diagonally it is arranged. So A with A versus B. Match number 1. Then where you have 1. Not here, not here. This side. Okay. So C versus G. C versus G. Okay. Then again where we have 1. 1, 1, 1. D versus F. D versus F. Then anywhere else? 1. Okay, 1 here. Team E. E will get by in first round. Okay. A, B, C, D, F and G have played in the first round and E has got by. You can see E has got by. Okay. Then second round you arrange. Second round. What is that? Wherever you have 2. Okay. A and C. A versus C. Okay. Then where we have 2. Here. Team B will get by. B will get by. Then where we have 2. Here. Here we have D versus G. D versus G. Okay. And then again E versus F. E has played match. E versus F. So 4 matches are scheduled in each round. You can see. Now where we have 3. So A will play with D. Then B will play with C. Then where we have 3. 3 we have here. E will play with G and team F will get by because here it is by. So same way we have to arrange all the teams in such a way. We will calculate the rounds. There will be 7 rounds. Each team will get 1 by in every round. Means any one team will get by in 1 round and all will get by all together All will be playing matches with each other. So this is the way how we arrange the teams in a tabular method in league fixture. So I hope that you have understood three things which I told you in earlier. First one is number of teams, second one is number of rounds, and third one is number of boxes. It is very important, and keeping this is very important. Okay? In odd number of matches, we are writing the total rounds in first column, then we are arranging the teams and leaving that by column, and first, after arranging all, first we are arranging that number of rounds in a by column starting with the even numbers 2, 4, 6. Then whatever odd are left, we are keeping afterwards. So same way you have to make. I hope that you understood. Next video we are going to discuss about the tabular method of event teams. Thank you.